Germany's between 1931 and 1945.
The Third Reich.
Heil Hitler.
Bernstein.
Let's get in the Snapchat thing.
Dank memes. I got you. I
Down the hill. Everyone's gonna be so proud.
My mom's gonna be pissed the hell off.
Why?
Because I'm gonna smell like shit.
Because you're alive.
My dad told me I should have been swallowed.
That's rough.
Well, I guess that's one way to put it.
I had a rough job.
I'm still having a fucking rough